today. Now, the ministerial panel on GST rate rationalization has said that there is no need to change the existing GST slabs or rates for now. The panel, comprising state ministers, met in the capital today to discuss the issue ahead of the crucial GST Council meeting next month. The minister said that demands for reviewing the 18% GST on health and life insurance premiums was discussed as well. Timsy Jayapuria is standing by with more details. So, Timsy, it's very clear any expectation of any changes as far as rates or slabs are concerned should be done away with.
The much-awaited group of ministers on rate rationalization under the GST framework met today at North Block. The convener, Samrat Chaudhary, Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, said that the group of ministers has taken stock of all the issues, including whether there should be any changes in slabs, any reduction in number of slabs or the rates. He said not every member was in favor of this. Also, he said that a lot of representations have come in from beverage association, from restaurant associations, from gaming industry and from insurance industry on rate changes, and the group of ministers is deliberating on the matter. However, no decision has been taken on any of these proposals as yet. Also, a member to the group of ministers, Chandrima Bhattacharya, West Bengal Finance Minister, said that she is not in favor of tinkering with the slabs or with the rates. Currently, she said that she has put forward the request of West Bengal, where West Bengal CM has already written to the finance minister seeking an exemption on GST on health insurance and medical insurance. She said fitment committee is looking into it. Krishna Bairegowda, Karnataka's member to the GST Council, also said on rate changes, he said, why disturb something which is going on smoothly, suggesting that he's not in favor of any changes in the slabs or the rates. Also on the insurance, he said more data is being sought by the group of ministers. Let's listen in.
सब चीजों पे चर्चा हुई है, आगे विस्तार से भी अभी और भी बैठ के हम लोग को करनी है इसमें। अभी सभी लोगों ने अपने अपने व्यू दिए हैं। कुछ लोगों की ये है मांग कि किसी तरह का कोई स्लैब में छेड़छाड़ नहीं किया जाए, तो अभी बैठ के और होंगी तब इस पर हम लोग कुछ डिसाइड कर पाएंगे।
सर, क्या 3 स्लैब लाने की बात हुई? 4 से 3 लाने के लिए?
नहीं, अभी कोई स्लैब में चेंजेस की कोई बात नहीं।
So that's clear. No change in rates or slabs as far as the GST is concerned. Remember that big meeting of the GST Council is slated for September.